नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्या आपके ऊपर मल्टीपल लोन्स हो गए हैं? क्या रिकवरी एजेंट आपको दिन में बार बार कॉल्स कर रहे हैं? क्या आपकी फैमिली को डरा रहे हैं? क्या आपको बार बार लीगल नोटिस आ रहे हैं? तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप हमसे संपर्क करें। मैं और हमारी टीम आपका पूरा सहयोग करेगी इस स्टेप से बाहर निकलने में। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
Are you literally in a good mood to speak about the settlement? You really think if customer is having 60% amount of the outstanding,
Yes.
then he will go for a settlement or either he will default the account? That does not even belong to your bank.
Amount. Yes, it's a
Who
public
cares
amount,
about
sir.
public? Even the government does not care about the public, and you are a private sector bank. You are talking about the public. You are a fresher, buddy. You are a fresher, buddy. You are a child in this banking compliance. This banking collection is not for you. You should move for customer service.
Just listen my words.
You should move for customer service.
For default is there.
You are unable to recover the money from the customer. You are a big bad liability for RBL Bank third party agencies.
Okay. You said I'll tell you.
Because from the starting itself I was very much aware that you are not the right person for the settlement.
दोस्तों, बाप ऑफ रिकवरी को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे के बटन को जरूर दबाएं और कमेंट में जरूर लिखें रिकवरी एजेंट की बजाओ।
हेलो हेलो
हाँ हेलो बोलो
ಸರ್ RBL ಇಂದ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸರ್।
सेटलमेंट डिपार्टमेंट कस्टमर का नाम बताओ सबसे पहले।
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್।
हाँ
Hello.
What is the customer name? Where are you calling?
Sir, I'm calling from department. Can I
First teach your agent, if they are calling to the customer, they should give with the correct opening. Settlement department, XYZ department, blah blah blah, all bullshit rubbish. They are not even trained with the greeting and opening, and they are pitching for the settlement to the customer. How sad.
Sir. Yeah, I got it, sir.
We don't want to go for a settlement. I have already discussed many times with you. I can only afford 12,000 rupees. If it is possible, then you should proceed.
Sir, you have got around 4 lakh now, sir. For 3 lakh.
What you are talking about? Credit card or what?
Sir, I'm calling from RBL credit card department. Okay. Your
Credit
total
card?
amount is 3 lakh. Yep.
I have 2 credit card account.
You have 2 credit card account.
Yes.
1 minute. I'll say your last card number.
Previously I have spoken with you guys. We have given me 2 outstandings.
Last 8720. Your last card number.
Tell me the principal outstanding with the account you are holding.
It's 3,90,682 rupees.
Principal.
Yep.
And what is the total?
Sorry?
What is the total for this account?
Sir, your total outstanding is 3,90,682
Then how
rupees.
come you are telling me this is principal? Do you understand the difference between total and principal? What, who?
Fine, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
What 1 minute? You are unable to understand my question or what?
Manager, 1 minute, sir.
How many people are going to shuffle in this one call? You tell me right now. First, your madam has given me a call. She had given you the headset. Now you are once again giving the headset to somebody else.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, namaste.
What namaste?
Then what I need to tell, sir?
What is the purpose of this call?
Sir, regarding your credit card payment, sir.
So tell me the principal of the credit card.
8720. Okay. A card number of 8720.
What is the principal?
Principal amount is 33 lakh. Hello?
33 lakh. Previous executive is saying 3 lakh 90. You are telling 33 lakh.
Just a second, sir. 3,38,300 rupees is there, sir.
3,38,000.
Yes, 3,38,300 rupees is the principal amount.
This is the principal outstanding for a credit card, huh?
Yes.
And the total is?
The total outstanding amount is 3,90,700 rupees.
Okay. And what about the settlement? What offer you have? Hello?
So just a second, I'm just checking out. So you will get around 1,95,000 you will get.
1,95,000 collectible
Yes, sir.
against the outstanding, against the principal pause of 3,38,000. You are asking me to pay even a 57% for a bank like RBL. Are you kidding me?
You have to tell me, sir.
What I have to tell you?
You have to tell me.
You have left nothing. You're telling me you're asking me to pay 60%. Are you literally in a good mood to speak about the settlement? You really think if customer is having 60% amount of the outstanding,
yes,
then he will go for a settlement or either he will default the account? He will keep the account in regularized mode or he will go for a partial foreclosure.
Then what are you expecting?
What are you expecting? Do you know the market value and the percentage of the settlement?
Sir, do you know the money value?
Money value? What money value? This is a contractual money you guys are giving to the customer. That does not even belong to your bank.
Amount. Yes, it's a
Who
public
cares
amount,
about
sir.
public? Even the government does not care about the public, and you are a private sector bank. You are talking about the public.
Yes, it's a public amount.
Stop bullshitting, man.
Given to you.
I'm telling you, I'm asking you once again. If you are in a good mood to talk about the settlement, then you can call me anytime.
No. I'm here
but
to
I
clear it.
don't think right now, currently, you are in a good mood to talk about the settlement.
Actually, you're not in a good mood, sir.
I am always in a good mood. That's the reason I answer all your calls. I have never ever missed any of the call from your bank, RBL, whatever.
Okay.
Never ever. So that shows how genuine and a good mood customer I am.
Just a second. If you are
I can give you n number of settlement letter. You listen to me now.
What you pay? If you are genuine,
I'll talk on facts.
To pay.
I'll talk on facts and I'll give you documented numbers. I can give you n number of settlement letter of RBL Bank credit card, CC accounts. You name what DPD and you name what outstanding you want. I'll give you any of the settlement letter. And the ROI percentage will be somewhere around 15 to 18% or maybe max to max 20% on the principal outstanding.
If it is your amount, you could have pay. You could have give.
But your bank is giving such sort of percentages on settlement to other customers, then there is wide discrimination with me. I also have medical issue. I also have job issues. I also have business loss. I also have multiple debt.
Give me a one letter, sir, actually. From the
I'll give you one letter, then what productivity you will bring out?
You just give me a one letter. I will go through that, okay?
What you will do with that letter?
Just give me a one letter which I have taken from the RBL as
maybe you will misuse the data of that settlement letter. That's what recovery agents do right now.
Yes. No. Which you are told at 20% you are told, right? Finally, 16 or 20%, which you are get from the RBL, which you could get the letter.
Yeah, previously many of my colleagues has got the settlement.
Yes, you send me, sir. You send me that letter.
So what is the commitment if I send you the letter?
You send me, sir. I will ask to my manager, right? For my higher manager.
So you will ask your manager.
Do the settlement? Yes.
Once, until and unless I will not share you any settlement letter, until and unless you will not ask your manager. Directly go and approach to your manager, na? The customer is saying.
If I approach my manager, where's the proof?
No, it's not about proof.
You could have asked me, right?
It's not about proof. If I'll give you 10%. Okay. Let me speak. If I'll give you a settlement letter of 15%, are you going to match that 15% in my case as well? Yes or no?
What's that? What?
If I'll give you a settlement letter of RBL credit card, which is for 15% on the principal outstanding, if I'll give you a letter of 15%, so are you going to match that same 15% in my case as well?
Okay, sir. Okay, I will match.
What okay? You have no
Okay,
question.
sir, I will match it.
What match it?
Yes, sir. You only told no. If you give a letter for 15% which you have taken a previous, you just send me
Not
that letter.
mine.
On
From
basis
somebody,
of that.
someone else's customer.
Okay, send me that letter.
So you will match that same
On that
percentage
basis,
in my
I
case
will
as
ask
well,
my
right?
manager. Yes, on that basis, I could have asked my manager, right?
So that is what I'm telling you.
16% to
First,
customer. Why I couldn't give my?
right,
Sir, I
now
need
you
to
got
close
the
the
right
account,
pitch.
sir.
Go
Yes, I need
directly
to close the
upfrontly show
account.
up to your manager, upfrontly show up to your manager and let your manager know that I have a potential settlement customer, but the customer is saying that our RBL bank is providing 15 to 20% settlement.
There is no providing.
Sir,
That's why
I'm telling you the pitch
that's
what
why
you
I'm
have
giving-
to
That's
what
why
you
I'm
have to present
That's
to
why
your
I'm
manager.
asking you the proof. The proof I was.
You are completely a child in this banking financial sector. And I think and I'm assuming that you are very much fresher.
Are you drunk?
You are working for RBL Bank. You are working for RBL Bank. If you would have working for ICICI Bank, Credit Suisse, MX, HSBC, Standard Chartered, I would have think for a fraction of second that yeah, this guy is right.
Mr. Ankush
You are
Verma,
working for RBL, one of the third class bank, and you are telling we have never provided such settlement percentage to customer.
Ankush,
you are a fresher.
Ankush,
You are a blood fresher.
are you drunk?
You are a fresher,
drunk,
but
Ankush?
you are a fresher, buddy. You are a child in this banking compliance. This banking collection is not for you. You should move for customer service.
Just listen my words.
You should move for customer service.
Are you drunk?
You should move for customer service. This collection is not for you, and you wait for more 2 months. I will manage to get settlement on this same credit card at 15%. Just wait for more 2 months.
Yeah, if you have that much,
Just wait for more 2 months.
you're not doing that.
Just wait for more 2 months.
If you have that much,
I will do that, but you have that gut.
Then do it.
Will you dispose this call right now on RTP?
No,
Dispose this call right now on RTP. I will do what I have to do.
Then you want to keep on.
Yes.
If you have
I know how to crack the settlement
then
terms.
you becoming a defaulter.
Nobody cares defaulter. If I'm becoming defaulter, nobody cares.
Yeah, you are such a defaulter.
You will get impacted if I'll become a defaulter because you will get lack of your target achievement.
If you don't have capacity to make the payment, then
You don't have capacity to recover the customer's outstanding on obligation, then leave this recovery process.
You like that fraud default is there.
You are unable to recover the money from the customer. You are a big bad liability for RBL Bank third party agencies.
Okay.
You are a bad liability for third party agencies for RBL Bank. You should leave the recovery. Log out from your dialer and CRM and go and run away to your home.
Who are the fraud doing? No. Who are the liability? Who are the fraud doing? We know that.
Sleep next to your mommy. Go at your home.
Then
you are unable to recover collection or credit card loan, whatever.
Say to your mom the same thing, or say to
you are unable to recover the amount.
I'm saying if you have,
you cannot do recovery.
Go and say to your mom and your wife. Otherwise,
you are unable to do the recovery. This is not for you.
You will get it, sir. You will get it.
You are a kid. You are a kid. You are crying kid.
And we will get it soon.
You don't know how to do a healthy debate with the customer. You are crying
you will
kid.
see that. What will do what?
See how you are crying. See how you are crying.
You will do and we will see that. Okay.
Customer is open to communicate with you on facts and on documented settlement letter.
That's why I said, sir.
But you are unable to. You are unable to even answer a single question what I have asked.
Still it's coming on the flight or what?
You are unable to answer.
Last week also said the same thing. I have documents I am sending. Still you sending the
No, I
documents,
never
right?
said. This is the first time telling you guys if I'll produce a settlement letter
Now, don't
of any
say this
other
thing, don't
customer
say this thing. Last
from
week
your
also-
same
last
bank
week
and
also
same
we
product and
spoke.
same
Last week
DPD and same
also-
outstanding, are you guys going
Last
to
week
match the
also
same
we spoke.
percentage
Then
in
you
my
said
case
I
as
have
well?
documents
This is the
with
first
RBL.
time I'm
No,
telling
you
you.
said I have the
Never ever
RBL
previously
and
I've told
you
this
said
commitment to
I'll
you
send-
guys.
You said I'll send
Because
letters of the
because
documents.
from the starting
Where
itself
is
I
that
was very
document?
much aware that you
Where
are
is
not the
that
right person
document,
for the
Ms. Ankush
settlement.
Verma? Last week also
From
said-
the very
last
much
week
for
also
initial
said
days, I was
I
very
have
much
the
aware that
documents,
you
I
are
have
not the right
spoken with
person for the
RBL,
settlement.
and this all you say.
I was aware about it.
Okay.
You know, settlement has a very sharp
What is the-
checklist. If you are going for a settlement now, you should be able to understand who is the right person and who is the wrong person. And you guys are wrong person for the settlement.
1 minute I am saying, Ankush,
You
what
cannot
is
do
getting-
settlement.
What is the settlement amount?
You are just sitting in a call center to make a dispute with the customer. You are just sitting in a call center to abuse with the customer and make a dispute. That's all you can do.
Not for your courier. Okay?
You are planted in third-party
You are
recovery
the-
agencies
no, you are the lying,
to do
you
a
are the lying,
good
because you have
harassment with the
multiple
customer.
amounts, so you are escaping for this reason.
This is what you can do. No. I never escalate. People like you are a kid, you are